What is copycat trading and how does it work? Quite simply, in a nutshell, copycat, as I like to call it, is the Facebook of trading. It allows us to view the profiles and statistics of traders throughout the world and decide whether we want to link our trading account to theirs. What do I mean by linking my trading account? What I mean is that once I've analyzed the traders and I've decided on a particular trader that I want to link my account to, I'm able to then select a position sizing and physically link my account to that particular trader so that when he trades on his account, it automatically trades on my account. And what this means is that you're then able to have your trading account working for you while you continue with your usual daily activities. For example, while you're at work, while you're on vacation, just doing your usual things, you are able to have your trading account in a position where it is still working for you and your money is still working for you. Let's take a quick look at the Copykat platform in general. So once you open a trading account, this is how the platform will look, and this is what you will see. I minimized these menus earlier, so I'm just going to maximize them again and run through the platform quickly so that you understand what you're looking at. The first thing to look at is here in the middle. Here you've got the chart of the instrument that you are watching. I like candlestick charts. On the left hand side here you've got your watch list. So these are all the instruments that you are able to trade on this platform. A lot of forex pairs, there's indexes and there's commodities as well, oil, gold, etc. So there's quite a wide variety of instruments that you are able to trade on this system. If you're like me, however, and you don't like this busy watch list and you want a bit more space to view your chart, just minimize it over here. And you still have access to all the instruments via this drop-down bar on the left-hand side. Next to the drop-down bar for the instruments, we have the time frame that you're able to view the instruments in. So anything from 1 minute right up to 1 month, you're able to view your particular instruments. So what does it mean when I'm looking at a 1 month time frame? It means that every single candle here represents a period of 1 month. So there's quite a variety of time frames to select on this web trader platform as well. There are 3 different chart types that you can select from. You have candlesticks, bars, and lines. A lot of guys like looking at line charts. I prefer just sticking to candles, and most of the traders that I trade with also prefer just looking at candles. Your instrument list is over here, so you can select instruments to add to this chart on the web trader platform. You've got your MACD, moving averages, RSI, volume, most of the popular instruments that you're going to want to use. To the right of that, we have the ability to draw on the chart itself. So if you want to put in support and resistance lines, etc., you are able to do that directly from this menu. So there's a support and resistance line that I've drawn into the chart. Below your chart, you have your open positions. So if I was any trades, I would see them over here. Pending orders. So if I had any orders in the market, in other words, to go long or short at a specific value, I would see those orders sitting here. And then closed positions. So any positions that have been opened and closed on my trading account, I'll be able to see their profit and loss over here on the right hand side. Okay, I like to view my charts as big as possible, so there is a drop down or minimize option here as well. So I minimize there, and now I've just got my chart and the copycat stuff on the right hand side. Above the chart you've got your sell and buy options, so buy to go long and sell to go short. And in between those two, you have your position size option. So 0.01 position size being your micro lot, a 0.1 position size being your mini lot, and then a 1.0 position size is a full lot. Okay, so you can then decide what position size you want to trade on this platform. To the right of this, however, we have the most important part of Copykat. This is where we can see the traders and the profiles on the system. This is where we can look at their statistics and decide whether we want to link our trading account to theirs. Now, remember what I said is once you link your trading account, the trading automatically happens. So you don't have to be physically sitting in front of your screen all the time in order to make sure that the trades are taking place. Once you link, it'll automatically trade. This menu over here, you can scroll down and you can view your top ranked traders. I prefer a little bit more in-depth view, so I click on this explore button. And that brings up a little bit more information just at a first glance that I can have a look at before assessing the traders. I can see the name of the trader, his avatar, how many people are linked to that particular trader. I can see his performance since he got onto the Copykat platform. So this guy's done 181% of his account. And he's managed to achieve that in 148 days. So he's doing more than 1% a day on his account. Phenomenal results. And his success rate is 66%. So he's nearly getting 7 out of 10 trades right consistently over 148 days. Guys, there really are some fantastic traders on this platform. There is a lot of options in terms of what instruments they trade, so you can decide, I only want to trade Forex, or I only want to trade indexes, and you can from there decide who you want to link your trading account to. So definitely a lot of options, a lot of depth to choose from. Below this list of traders over here, we have the social stream. I'm just going to put it onto all traders. What that means is the social stream shows you what's happening on the Copykat platform. So any trader that opens or closes a position on Copykat will be shown over here. So SuperMonkey opened a Euro USD buy position at that particular price. Here we can see that there's just 2 new positions that have opened as well. What I do like about this option is you are able to put traders onto your watch list. Okay, so you can select top ranked as well. So only the top ranked traders, their activity will show over here. But the option that I really like is the traders I watch. So once you put traders onto your watch list, you will only see their activity taking place here. So it doesn't mean that you necessarily link to them, you're just watching them, and you'll be able to see their activity over here. Top right of the screen, if you click on your avatar or your name, your particular statistics will come up. This is an account that I opened this morning quickly just for the purpose of these videos, and that is why you can see that there are no results as yet. But it'll work exactly the same as every other trader on the platform. It'll build up over a period of time, and if you end up being very successful, you'll probably have other traders linking to you as well. You are able to deposit directly off this platform. You can change the theme, so you've got this lighter theme that I prefer, and then you've also got a darker theme, depending on which one works best for you. All right, we've run through the platform, we've run through what Copykat is and how it works. So you've got your charts, your watch list, your position size, your personal stats, and then Copykat itself. Please watch our instructional video on how to analyze traders, because it really goes in depth and it'll give you the information you need before making a decision on whether or not a trader is correct for your risk appetite, and also for the right position sizing, and to keep your risk in the right region. Please have a look at that video and make an informed decision.